Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your everyday needs. Today, we are diving into one of the most innovative solutions for parents, THEO'S disposable splat mats. This is, without a doubt, the best disposable splat mat for your little one's mealtime. If you're tired of cleaning up messy spills and crumbs every time your baby eats, this mat will make your life so much easier. The mat is designed to fit perfectly under high chairs, catching every crumb and spill, and making cleanup a breeze. It's not just convenient, but it's eco-friendly too. Made from 100% biodegradable and compostable materials, the mat supports sustainability without compromising on quality. The liquid-resistant paper ensures that spills don't seep through, keeping your floors safe from sticky messes. Each mat measures 47 inches by 29 inches, providing a generous coverage area. It's large enough to handle those messy mealtimes but compact enough to fold into a small 5 by 8 inch size, making it perfect for on the go. Whether you're at home or out at a restaurant, you can always carry one in your diaper bag for a quick and easy solution to mealtime messes. What makes this mat stand out is its minimalistic and neutral design. It doesn't have any busy patterns or bright colors that clash with your home decor. Instead, it blends seamlessly with any space, protecting your floors without drawing attention to itself. The best part? Once your meal is over, simply toss the mat in the trash or compost. It's that easy. Parents who practice baby-led weaning will love how well this mat keeps the floor clean while supporting their eco-conscious lifestyle. It's a hygienic surface for fallen food and utensils, ensuring peace of mind. Plus, it's made from food-safe materials, so you can be sure it's safe for your baby. So, if you're looking for a simple, stylish, and sustainable solution to protect your floors during your baby's mealtimes, THEO'S disposable splat mats are the way to go. Easy to use, easy to dispose of, and kind to the planet, this is a must-have item for every parent. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more product reviews from Product Critique.